Welcome. If you're tired of being interrupted by notifications from X, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn off those notifications for good. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize how your device behaves. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. This is where you can take control of which apps are allowed to send you alerts. Look for the app labeled X. It might be listed alphabetically or grouped with apps that have sent recent notifications. Once you find it, tap on App Notifications to open its settings. Now, here's the key step. Toggle off notifications for X by switching off the button or slider next to its name. When you do this, your phone will stop sending alerts from X entirely. You won't see banners, hear sounds, or get vibrations from this app anymore. It's like hitting the mute button for notifications, and that's it. You've successfully disabled X notifications in just a few simple steps. Go to Settings, tap Notifications, select App Notifications, and toggle off X. If you ever change your mind and want to turn them back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips like this one. See you in the next video.